To use the Whoop password reset feature, start by opening the Whoop app on your mobile device and navigate to the login page. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option located below the login fields. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Whoop account. Enter the email address and click on the Send Reset link button. Whoop will then send a password reset email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. This link will take you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. When creating a new password, make sure it is strong and unique. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and contain a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have created a new password, click on the Reset Password button to save the changes. You can then use the new password to log in to your Whoop account. It is a good practice to use a password manager to generate and store unique and strong passwords for all your accounts, including your Whoop account. Additionally, make sure to reset your password regularly to maintain the security of your account. If you encounter any issues during the password reset process, you can contact Whoop support for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and help you regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Whoop password and maintain the security of your account. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords, and to reset your password regularly to ensure the security of your account.